Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Parallax Image Section. A parallax image creates a smooth, scrolling effect where the background image moves at a different speed than the foreground content. This gives your store a layered, dynamic appearance, almost like subtle animation that brings personality and visual depth to your page. All right, let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Parallax Image Section, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Template, then select Parallax Image Section. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Template, Parallax Image. Here, you can customize all the settings. You can add section. Just click on Add Section and search Parallax Image, and you can see Parallax Image. Click to add it, and from there, you can customize all the available settings. Show On. Choose where the Parallax Image section should appear. Desktop Only. Shows only on desktop screens. Mobile Only. Shows only on mobile devices. Both. Displays on both desktop and mobile devices. Container size. Select how wide the Parallax Image section should appear. Default. Keep standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full. Expands the image to full width, removing left and right spacing for a wider visual effect. Mobile image. Upload or select an image specifically optimized for mobile devices to ensure a perfect visual fit on smaller screens. Desktop image. Upload or select an image designed for desktop view to maintain high-quality display on larger screens. Mobile video. Upload or select a video optimized for mobile devices to ensure smooth playback and proper display on smaller screens. Desktop video. Upload or select a video designed for desktop view to maintain quality and fit larger screens effectively. Color. Choose a color overlay for your image or video section to enhance visibility, add style, or create a visual effect. Opacity. Adjust the transparency of the overlay color with a maximum value of 100% for a fully solid effect. Example, 50%. Blur. Applies a blur effect to the image or video overlay with a maximum value of 20 pixels for a softened appearance. Example, 4 pixels. Top-bottom border. Enable this option to add visible borders at the top and bottom of the section, enhancing separation and visual structure. Orientation. Select the direction in which the parallax image or video moves for a dynamic scrolling effect. Up. Moves upward as the user scrolls. Right. Moves to the right while scrolling. Down. Moves downward with scrolling. Left. Moves to the left as the page scrolls. Up left. Moves diagonally upward and to the left. Upright. Moves diagonally upward and to the right. Down left. Moves diagonally downward and to the left. Own right. Moves diagonally downward and to the right. Scale. Adjust the zoom level of the parallax image or video for a dynamic effect. 1. Original size. No scaling. 1.14. Gradually increase the scale for a zoom-in effect, with 4 being the maximum zoom. Desktop height. Set parallax section height for desktop screens. Small. Applies compact height for smaller section display. Medium. Sets moderate height for balanced visual appearance. Large. Applies taller height for more prominent visual impact. Custom. By selecting Custom, you can customize the desktop height between 400 pixels and 2000 pixels. Mobile height. Set the parallax section height for mobile devices. Small. Applies a compact height for mobile screens. Medium. Sets a moderate height for balanced display. Large. Applies a taller height for more visual impact. Custom mobile height. By selecting Custom, you can customize the mobile height between 200 pixels and 1500 pixels. Max width PX. Set a custom maximum width for your content area. Leave empty to use the theme's default container width. Example, 1,140 pixels. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Top padding. Adjust space above block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom allows you to manually set your preferred padding value. Custom top padding. Set exact top spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. Bottom padding. Adjusts the space below the block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom lets you set a custom padding value manually. Custom bottom padding. Set exact bottom spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. You can freely add blocks like caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, title, and more. And that's it. Your Parallax Image section is now fully set up. With these settings, you can create stunning visual panels that add energy, motion, and depth to your store. A well-designed Parallax section boosts engagement and keeps visitors scrolling through your content. If you need any help along the way, feel free to reach out to the Debutify support team. We're always here to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.